Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we will discuss about accessing elements in an array. In our last class, we clearly discussed about declaring and initialization of arrays. Please watch that class and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, this is very simple class, but you need to have a memory, visualization and understanding about this, because we are going to use this part of the coding many of the times when we write different coding examples in our next classes. Coming to this example, we need to access the elements that present in an array. Int a is equal to 1, 2, 5, 10. So we declared an array and we initialized it, and it is having 4 elements. 1, 2, 5, 10. How memory is allocated to arrays, that we discussed in our last class. In the random access memory, our starting location is 2000. Each line is 8 bits, means 1 byte. Integer needs 4 bytes. So that's why 4 lines are allocated for first element. So the index to access this position here, if you want to access the element present here, the index is 0. Second element index is 1. Third element index is 2. Fourth element index is equal to 3. So how to access the elements? Using a loop, we are going to access the elements. For I is equal to 0, I less than 4. Forget about this a dot length. We are going to discuss at the end. I less than 4, I plus plus. This loop execute for 4 times. First time when it enter into the loop, the I value is 0. Second time, I is equal to 1. Third time, I is equal to 2. Fourth time, I is equal to 3. So a of 0th position, it is going to access the first element. A of 1 means this position, second element. A of 2 means third element. A of 3 means fourth element. So this is the memory visualization you should have when you are writing, because this is a beginner's course. We are going to explain point to point everything. And you need to have another understanding also, how it is going to find the memory location. A of 1 means this location, A of 2 means this location, A of 3 means this location. See, what is the starting location? 2000. That is stored in A. A is equal to 2000. A of 0 means it is going to find, inside it is going to find like this. A of 0 means 2000 plus 0 multiplied by 4. Why it is taking 4? One element, 4 lines. So 2000 plus 0 multiplied by 4 is 0. 2000 plus 0 is 2000. So the starting location of 0th index is 2000. A of 1 means 2000 plus 1 multiplied by 4 means 2004. The starting location for second element is 2004. So 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, these are for first element. This is for second element. This is how it is going to find the location. A of 2 means 2000 plus 2 multiplied by 4, which is 2008 is the starting location for third element. Now coming to the length attribute. See, suppose here we know what's the length of an array. Suppose if you don't know what is the length of the array, then each array object is having a length attribute. You can use that length attribute. How we are going to use that length attribute? We defined an array A dot length is going to give you 4 value, because we are having 4 elements. We are going to use this length attribute many times in our coming examples also. For every array object, we are going to have a length attribute. We can use that length attribute. That length attribute contains the value of a number of elements in an array. So I is equal to 0, I less than a dot length means here it is going to place 4 value, I plus plus. So this is how we are going to access the elements that present in a single dimensional array. How we are going, and what about 2-dimensional arrays? How we are going to access the elements in 2 dimension? We are going to discuss in our next class. Hope you understand this example. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your examples in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.